If you want to charge other devices with your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you can use the USB-C cable and you can simply connect both devices together. And usually you can just charge your other device like this. Unfortunately, there is no reverse wireless charging available on this iPhone 17 Pro, and in the case of Pro Max it is also not available, so we have to use the cable. And unfortunately, if you happen to have an iPhone that still has the Lightning port, then it might not be possible to actually charge it with your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. You can still try to use the USB-C to Lightning cable if you have one, and it might work. However, in my case, I actually had trouble with that and it simply didn't work at all. So maybe you will be more lucky. But essentially, if you actually want to charge other devices by using your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then you need to use the USB cable. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.